How do cameras and video management system interact with innovative server and storage technologies, and how can these be optimized in terms of solution performance and total cost of ownership?
Well, as previously mentioned, and all of our discussion today, using dedicated GPU and or AI accelerators cards, along with smart functions of the camera, like the smart codecs and onboard analytics, and so on, especially when there is a need to analyze the camera feed with a neural network based algorithms in mind. These cards help to manage a huge number of cameras per server, lowering, of course, as previously mentioned, the maintenance cost and the overall cost of your surveillance system.
Excellent, thank you very much. Yeah, yes, your final statement?
Well, it's a little bit going to be a repeat, but you know, it's server companies like Fibrenetix, and of course there's other people out there as well. You know, we really need to continue to innovate, and we really need to continue to push the boundaries. But we also need to take in these new things about the total cost of ownership, and thereby also the CO2, right? Because really in today's world, CO2 footprint is something we need to care about. We need to be serious about it, and we are consuming a lot of power when we have 100, 200, 500 hard drives and servers running in server rooms. That's a lot of power going through. It creates a lot of heat, and then again we have the cooling, as we talked about before, right? But I do see one good thing, because you know, we are human beings, and a lot of decisions are made from economical or financial reasons. So if it costs more to be green, there's a tendency people don't do it. When it comes to this, the good news is basically is that by saving power, by saving AC, you become green. So you save money, right? So while you're green, you are saving money and you're saving the planet. So for me, all this, and that's the reason why I'm a little bit passionate about it, it's really a no-brainer, to be honest with you. We just need to do it and continue to do it.
Excellent, yeah. David, final statement.
Absolutely. Well, the surveillance industry is a storage-hungry industry, and Seagate are really dedicated to helping supply that, and we have been for many years. You take our Skyhawk drives as an example. They're designed around that particular vertical. If we look at how we develop technology, you know, we develop the chassis with the future in mind, as I mentioned earlier, and this is talking about being able to take the new innovations, the newer drives that are coming along, and that helps from an environmental perspective as well. We care deeply about it, and that's important. If we take you know, the chassis that we've recently delivered with Fibrenetix, our 106, they're ready to take our next generation hammer drives. Our hammer drives are going to go to many terabytes more than they do today. Hammer, by the way, is heat-assisted magnetic recording, and that really is the next generation, and we can help push that. That reduces the cost, the cooling per terabyte, etc. going forward.
Great.
That's the way we want it.
I think great to hear. Also great to get input on the future perspective, and I think all of this is helpful for our audience to really optimize the architecture and design of video solutions also in the past, and make it more efficient with lower total cost of ownership, also make it green with more feature and functionality than ever before. I think this has to be the objective of the industry overall. And I think, at least I had the impression that we received really good input from your side. I would like to thank you all for the participation in this panel discussion. I also would like to thank the audience on behalf of Axxonsoft, Fibrenetix and Seagate for really spending the time following our panel discussion here. You have now the possibility to ask live questions. All those 3 gentlemen will be available now to answer this online. And I hope that will, I would say, give you additional insights to specific points. You still look for answers. From my point of view, thank you very much. It was a pleasure for me to moderate this event. I wish everybody, the participants of the panel, but also you as audience, a lot of success and a lot of business. Thank you very much.